In just 7 days, you can earn around thousands of dollars without any investment using an awesome tool called ChatGPT. Well, let's start off first heading over to this website right here. If you don't know yet, ChatGPT is a natural language processing tool developed by OpenAI based on GPT 3.5 that allows users to have human life-like conversations. With an AI chatbot, it can write YouTube descriptions and scripts. It can write content, it can generate AI art, it can code, and much more. Now, what we need to do here is create a free account. To do so, just click on Sign Up, and then you can either manually enter your email address or choose to continue with Google. After signing up, you'll land on this page. Now for the next step, you need to get a blog topic in your niche. For that, we have to do some keyword research to find low competition keywords in your niche in order to rank on Google. And this is where hsupertools.com comes in to help. hsupertools.com is the best free tool to find low competition keywords. So just go and create an account on this website. After creating an account, click on right up here and select Keyword Research Tool. Now just enter your niche keyword, let's say for example affiliate marketing, and then just stick "I'm not a robot" and click on Search. And after a few seconds, this free tool will provide you with a list of keywords with their search volume, competition, and CPC. Now pick up those keywords which have a high search volume but with low competition. For example, this affiliate marketing Amazon keyword has low competition but has a high monthly search volume. So copy this keyword and create an article around it with the help of ChatGPT. For that, go back to this website and simply type in "provide the blog topic titles about," then paste your niche keyword and press enter. And after a couple of seconds, this tool will generate 10 different topic ideas related to our niche. Now, if you want to get more different ideas, you can click on this Regenerate Response button. Now the second step is how to get your blog outlines. For this, select any one of these titles and type in "provide the blog outline of this title." Then add your chosen title and press enter. After a few minutes, this tool will automatically generate an outline for this particular title. Moving on, the third step is how to get your outline content. This simply copy the first part of this blog outline and type in "provide the blog section of this outline." Then paste the first part of that outline right here and press enter. And in just a few seconds, ChatGPT will automatically write the introduction of your article. So just copy all of these and paste it right here in a new Word document file. After that, go back to this website and type this in "provide the blog section of this outline." Then scroll up, copy the second part of this blog outline, and paste it here before clicking enter. After that, just copy all of these, go back to that Word document and paste it here. Now repeat the steps for all the remaining outlines to write a full blog article. Now, after creating a full blog with ChatGPT, it's time to convert it into a human-generated blog if you want to rank it on Google. For that, copy all of these, go to Google and search for duplicate article rewriter. Click on the first website, scroll down, and paste the whole content right here. After that, tick "I'm not a robot" before clicking on Rewrite Article. Now after a few minutes, this tool will automatically rewrite the whole article. So just click on Next. Copy all of these, go back to that Word document and paste the rewritten article right here. Now after that, check whether this blog is used human-generated or not. For this, copy a few lines from this blog and head over to Hugging Face Company. Hugging Face Co. is an AI content detector tool. So just paste the content right here and wait for a few seconds. As you can see, this article is around 94% real, meaning you can rank this article on Google. Moving on, the next step is to create a writer account on Medium. Medium is a social publishing platform that is open to all people and home to a diverse array of stories, ideas, and perspectives. This is a 100% free and worldwide available platform. With that said, I want you to comment down below and let me know from which country you are watching this video from, and that way I can create space-specific contents for your region in my future videos. Now, after creating an account with Medium, click on the right button right up here. Now, for the title, just copy the blog title from that Word document and paste it here. And for the content again, go back to that Word document, copy the entire article, and paste it right here. Now add an image to this blog. For this, you can choose any image from Google about your niche. Now add multiple affiliate links in your blog to earn more commissions. Now, as your article will start getting views and rank on Google, you will start earning from Medium.com. You will also keep earnings from your affiliate links. You can post same article on Quora.com in order to earn more. Hope you like video. Subscribe Unique Earnings for more earning videos.